Alright, you're looking for a 914. Maybe you're searching for a Carmangia. What if I told you they're almost the same thing? This one's got a hopped up motor. All the work done to it that you would probably do anyway. Hop in, ready to go. 5-speed, gets you down the highway about 60, 65. Shifts nice and smooth. Clutch feels great. Check it out. go. Hopped up little car here. Orange tan interior, showing 54,633 miles. I'm gonna start right here, meat and potatoes of this car. You can tell by the idle, we got a little bit of work done here. So we got pretty good amount of receipts. There's also a Excel document I'll run through quickly, but big receipt I saw here was AA Performance International out of Covina, California. He bought himself performance engine kit 2257 flywheel exchange for a Porsche 19 Ti 200 to Porsche 914 215mm 2.0 liter Porsche 914 air-cooled cylinder head 3-stud kit, main bearing, silver line, steel back, standard, NGK plugs, oil pump, stud, 26mm gears, type 4 cam case plug, performance swivel feet, nuts for them, cylinder shim, type 4, all the way up to 2000 cc, 90 thou thick, cylinder head shim, type 4, 10 thou thick. So we're at 100 thou right there. Distributor. We'll get all these papers scanned. We'll have them on file. Functionality here. We got park lights, headlights. They are electric and they come up really quick. And you got fog lights. Park lights have to be on for those to work. Hazards, they do work. Let's see here. High beams, right, pull to you. Left signal, right signal, left signal, sorry. Wiper on, low, high. There's off. That's that. Horn is a cool sound, those hellowed horns. Defrost is on, nice and warm. This is kind of your letting heat up from the motor or not, kind of lever. Radio, aftermarket unit here. I was not able to get sound out of it. I am not sure what it would take. There's static, and it's possible that the antenna is just not connected, and looking at it, looks like it's kind of blocked off. So it is there, FM aftermarket Nakamichi radio. Ashtray is there, cigarette lighter, no real corrosion, just in the center. Doesn't really look used. No smell of smoke or anything. Targa top has a new carpet liner on it, and a fresh coat of black on the top. Good stuff. Passenger gets a rearview mirror, driver does not. Rearview mirror here, day-night mode. All works as it should. Crank windows, they work great. Very smooth. There is some kind of a bluish tint on this windows. Hardly noticeable. Alright, let's go for a drive. You have an oil temperature gauge, voltmeter, clock does not seem to be working, speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge right at half, your brake light indicator is right there, it does work, and then two indicators here, oil light, and I don't know what the G light is. Alright, seat adjusters work, they lean back and forth and all that. We have two auxiliary switches. One is for your blower fan. Did you hear that? Come on. Your blower motor is right there. Not sure what this would be for. There's also another switch down here. I do not know what it's for either. Alright, driving. Reverse, left and up. Works good. First, left and down. Fifth. Car is lowered. Rides very planted. Very fun riding car. You do have shoulder belts. Give them a try here in a second. Let's try out these belts. Works good. Ratcheting guy, you can hear it working. There we go. All right. You have a larger tire in the back than you do in the front. Pushes you down the highway almost 65, almost 70. RPM, pushing 80 miles an hour. We'll check it here with the speed app. About 10 miles off on the speedometer. That's okay. Very fun car. Transmission feels good. The gears are just close together. A little bit to get used to. Car drives nice. You feel the road. It's not pushing you all over the highway or anything. Engine oil's getting up. We're up to 180. Everything looks good. If you're looking for a 914, a little bit of spunk, well done, hop in and go kind of car, you need to check this one out. Look at my photos, read through the documents, ask us any questions you got. Come on out and test drive it. This thing is dialed in, fun. A great running car. Idle's nice, a little bit of lope to it because of the cam. Good build here. Performance, plenty streetable. Very good. Runs cool. Alternate is charging. There's no issues. Get the radio to work and then you can listen to some tunes while you listen to this motor hum. Alright guys, that'll do it. Check it out at frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, give us a call. 605-250-8776. Happy to answer your questions, get you a shipping quote, set you up anything like that. Alright, talk to you guys later.